Is, oh, did Dad just try calling me? Okay, I didn't realize that was my phone ringing. Okay. But now I see, now I have his number here, so now I'll add his number. So perfect. Good. Yeah, whatever you guys look out for that. Maybe she wants to come on Tuesday, and then if they wanted to come up on Wednesday, we could.
Say hi.
Otherwise, we could just bring them home with us, or
Say hi.
if they wanted to do something there. Oh, yeah, so maybe she just wants to leave it the way it is and make just like a little own thing. Yeah.
Hi. Give me a big smile. 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 Hey, buddy. There you go. There you go. Hi. Can you tell me a story? Tell Dad a story. Tell Dad a story. What did you do today? Tell Daddy a story. Tell Daddy a story. Tell Daddy one of your stories. Tell Daddy a story. Tell Daddy a story.